Welcome to this video for student self-service registration. In this video, you will learn how to access the self-service page, how to review the requirements for each year, how to view your plan for each year, how to enroll in courses, drop classes, swap classes, and check your class schedule. To access the self-service registration page, you must first log in to the Student Self-Service Center using your student ID and password. From the student home page, you'll select the Manage Classes tile. From the menu on the left, select Plan and Enroll Courses to begin managing your courses. First, you'll notice at the top of the screen your program, plan, and/or specialization is displayed. Secondly, I want to draw your attention to the icon legend. These icons are used while planning, so you should make yourself familiar with what each one means. Planned means that you are expected to enroll in this course. In progress means you are currently enrolled in this course. Satisfied means you have passed this course. Not satisfied means you have not taken or passed this course. Dropped means you have dropped this course. Exempted means you have received an exemption for this course. Transferred means credits for this course have been transferred from within or from an external institution. Course list not satisfied means you have not yet satisfied the requirements for this course. This page gives you an overview of your plan for the next few years. At a glance, you can see the total credits required for each year, and you can also see the percentage of requirements that you have met for that year. You can expand each year to view more details about the requirements for that year. You will be able to view a list of courses, and next to each course, it will indicate if it's a required course or an elective. There will also be an icon that represents the current status of that course. Refer to the icon legend to determine its meaning. In this example, we can see the courses are planned. You will also see a drop-down list next to the planned courses. You can use this drop-down menu to change the semester that you plan to take the course. However, before changing your plan, it is recommended that you meet with your academic advisor. They will explain the impact this action will cause. Next to some courses, you may notice an information button. Click this button to view the prerequisites and co-requisites that are required to enroll in this course. Next to the elective courses, you will find a link that you can use to select the elective course you wish to take. In this example, we have selected EFFL 1001, Effective Learning, and we've selected the semester as Winter 2022. When you've selected the elective course you want to add to your plan, select Save Planning. Click the Enroll button when you're ready to begin the enrollment process. Next, you'll use the Select Year drop-down list to select the semester. In this example, we'll use Winter 2022. You will see a list of courses which have been planned for the semester you've selected. Click the Select Class button to view a list of classes offered for each course. A list of class options is displayed. Each class will list the dates, the times, the room location, the instructor, and the number of seats that remain open. Select the arrow next to the class you want to attend, ensuring that there are still open seats available. If there are no seats available, you will need to select another class. You can then repeat this process for the other courses. Click the Submit Enrollment button when you're ready to submit these classes for enrollment. The enrollment confirmation page will appear. Errors will be displayed if a class requirement has not been met or if there's a time conflict. courses with errors have not been enrolled. You will need to repeat the process and select another class which will not conflict with the timing of the class, and you'll ensure that the prerequisites have been met. The page will also display when a class has been successfully enrolled, and a calculation for the outstanding balance will also be displayed at the top of the screen. Click Close to exit the enrollment confirmation page and return to the planning page. You can expand the year to review the changes you've made. Return to the enrollment page by clicking the Enroll button. We will now update the course which had the time conflict by selecting another class which does not conflict. You will repeat this process until you have selected a class for each of your courses. Click Submit for Enrollment, and then view the enrollment confirmation page to ensure all the courses have been enrolled successfully. You can now view the calculation for the outstanding balance. You can also click on the Make Payment button if you wish to make a payment. You will be directed to the payment page, where you can enter the payment amount and then click Proceed to Pay. Now let's take a look at how to drop a class. From the menu on the left, select Drop Classes. This is an important note about dropping classes. Before dropping a class, it is recommended that you should first meet with your academic advisor to discuss the impact. If you are a sponsored student, you cannot drop a course without approval. Please contact the sponsor specialist in the Admissions and Registration Department to seek approval. From the Drop Classes page, you will see a list of classes that you are currently enrolled in. From the list, select the class you wish to drop by placing a check mark in the box next to that class. Then, click the Next button at the top right of the screen to proceed. You can now review the details of the class you selected to drop, and if you would like to proceed, click the Drop Class button. You'll be asked to confirm this drop. Select Yes to drop the class. You will receive a message that your course has been successfully dropped. Now let's take a look at how to swap classes. From the menu on the left, you will select Swap Classes. A list of your current classes will be displayed. From the list, choose the class that you would like to swap and click the Select New Class button next to it. A list of optional classes will now be displayed. From the list, click the class that you would like to choose to replace the class that you've currently enrolled in. You will be taken back to your list of current classes, and you'll also see the new class listed. To continue with the swap, you'll click the Next button. Or, if you would like to change your class selection, you can click the Trash bin to remove your selection and then repeat the previous steps to select another class. Once you've made your selection and you've clicked the Next button, your swap selection will be displayed for you to review. To make any changes, use the Previous button, and when you're ready to complete the swap, click the Continue button. You will receive a message confirming your successful enrollment into the class. Next, we'll take a look at how to view your class schedule. To view your class schedule, from the menu on the left, select View My Schedule. Use the filter to remove the days that you do not have classes. Click the Done button when you've finished. To print a paper copy of your schedule, click the Printable Page button and then print your schedule. Thank you for watching.